Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to export task lists as PDFs on Asana. This is a critical skill for preserving your task list, sharing it with others, or backing it up for future reference. Our first step is to navigate to the task list you want to export. Open up Asana and go to the project or team where your task list is located. This is important because Asana organizes tasks by project or team, so you need to be in the right place to find your list. Now that we've done that, look for the Export Print button, usually found on the top right corner of your screen. The reason we do this is because this button holds the key to exporting your task list to a PDF. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Next up, select Print from the drop-down menu. Now you might be wondering why we're selecting Print when we want to export to a PDF. Well, this is the trick. The print function actually allows us to save our task list as a PDF. Let me explain why this matters. When you save your task list as a PDF, it becomes a portable document that can be viewed on any device, shared easily, and even printed out if needed. After you've selected Print, a print preview window will pop up. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is generating a printable version of your task list. From this window, change the destination to Save as PDF. This helps us because it ensures we're exporting our list as a PDF, not sending it to a printer. Finally, click Save, choose your desired location, and hit Save again to finish the process. You've now successfully exported your task list as a PDF. This final step is crucial because it solidifies your export and saves the PDF to your chosen location. And there you have it. You've just learned how to export task lists as PDFs on Asana. This easy process will help you keep track of your tasks and share them with others. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.